Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your PayPal debit card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card. Locate your PayPal debit card and make sure you have the card number, expiration date, and CVV code ready. You will also need access to your PayPal account. Step 2. Log in to your PayPal account. Open the PayPal website or mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to activate the card. Step 3. Navigate to card activation. In your PayPal account, go to PayPal Debit Card or Cards section and select Activate Card. Enter card details, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and any additional information requested. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Step 5. Confirmation. Once your PayPal debit card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message. Your card is now ready to use for online purchases, in-store payments, and ATM withdrawals. Step 6. Start using your card. You can now use your PayPal debit card wherever MasterCard is accepted. Remember to check your PayPal account to monitor your balance and transactions.